All right. Let's get started with your reading for December. I'm back. I'm alive. I'm doing fucking great. I just won the lotto. I won $300,000. I can't wait to get it. No, I'm just kidding. Let's do this side. The zodiac sign for Leo in December. I feel like my mood just changed when I got into Leo's read. Like when I'm about to, like the shift is real, like light and funny and excited for some reason. So let's do your December read, Leo. Let's see what's going on. What is, oh, in the bottom of the deck, you have the Seven of Swords. Oof. Seven of Swords. I want to say you're doing everything on the down low. Not letting nobody know nothing. I don't know why I'm whispering. Show me this, the energies for Leo in December, please. Let's see. Yes. I do feel like you got a plan, Leo. You sure fucking got a plan. It's a sneak attack for some reason. I feel like it's about your success. There's a surprise here. There's something you are definitely keeping on the down low or something here where you're holding on to this thought, this energy of like, I can't let nobody know about the moves I'm going to make. And it does have to do about like isolation or pulling your energy back and just putting all that energy into like hustling to get something that you want, and then boom, you're gonna show out on something. So you do have the zodiac sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You could be dealing with another Leo or a Aries or Sagittarius, but this is something here of some type of project. I want to say it's due to a career situation. What does Leo need to see for December, please? Like you're gonna get some type of financial gain or stability. I don't know why I see like property. So if some are out there trying to get your own spot, trying to buy a house, trying to buy property or something, I see something here where there's a goal or mindset that you're in that you're gonna be working on here pretty soon. Some type of legal situation of custody here. Hold on. Like I see, for some reason I'm picking up some custody stuff here. I feel that there's going to be somebody here that you're going to be, for some that are single, it's not going to be for all the Leos, but there's somebody here like that could be coming in. I'm not saying it's this sign specifically, but there's going to be somebody here that's determined to work something to, it's like coming out of toxicity. I can't even fucking talk. It's like love is coming. Could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or a Capricorn, but there is something custody-wise to where I feel like you're starting to put your relationship either on the down low, or when you get into this relationship, you're not going to want to let it like out publicly, because I feel like you're going to have a lot of eyes on you, or there's going to be some type of like third party here that wants to interfere or kind of like could want to disturb that relationship here. Yeah, so there's, for some, I feel like if you're not, I see a pregnancy coming. So if you're not wanting to be pregnant or you don't want kids or whatever, I see that you need to be on some type of birth control, because it shows here that there's going to be an announcement of some type of pregnancy here. For some reason, I don't know why, but I feel like There's some Leos out there that want to get their body done, and this is going to be like, you know what, I'm going to make the decision, I'm going to go through it. I see some type of like surgery that you could be having here in 2026 from now in the next 6 months, and it has to do with something with surgery, whether it be cosmetic surgery or surgery with your health. I see something also of some type of somebody like is obsessively watching somebody's relationship, or somebody's like the way I see it is that you and your partner, Leo, when y'all do connect, or if you're already connected with that certain person, whatever, it's like there's some type of energy of jealousy, and they're like, well, Leo never did that for me when they were with me. Why does, you know, of how good of a bond or how good of a power couple y'all can be, and it's like somebody's looking from afar, like, why them? Why did they get it? Like, when I was married to Leo, or when I was with Leo, they didn't do that for me. Like, so you need to be cautious of this energy that's going to be coming in, because I feel like there's something really good here coming in for Leo, to where it's going to be something genuine, or there's going to be genuine love, or there's like some type of equal give and take. I hella see some type of ex here wanting to disturb this energy, and this could be from now until I want to say the next 3 months or so. It's like, I don't know why. Also, somebody's going to want to come back, and y'all see that. Somebody's going to want to come back and kind of give you the poor me type stuff, or try to get a hold of you some type of way to make you feel sorry for them, whether it be like a toxic parent energy, because I do see the custody issue, which means there's parents involved. This could be your own parents, Leo. This could be something here of baby dad, baby mom, whatever, and it's like has to do with being like child or parenting or something, too, or somebody's gonna get, it's like somebody's gonna come into your energy, and they're gonna be like, boo-hoo, poor me, I, you know, can't pay my bills, can you help me, son, or can you help me, daughter, whatever the hell. And it's like you're kind of putting a border, like a not like a wall, but some type of boundary that maybe before you were giving and giving and giving to somebody, and you're putting a boundary or some type of like, okay, I could only, I don't know how you say it, but you get it. Like some type of respect on the give and take here. But I see somebody here testing out those energies. Like, let's see if I can kind of ask Leo if they'll help me type stuff. But it does definitely show a parent. Like a parent is putting their burdens on Leo. Or this could be vice versa. Leo, if you're doing this to your children, better stop. I'm just kidding. But do whatever you want. I don't give a shit about those kids. No. I'm just kidding. But it's like, you're not going to, I don't know why I see an energy of Leo not entertaining or trying to show. It's like Leo is going to be coming into a healthier way of showing love. Because maybe before Leo was like, here, I'll do everything for you, favors, financially, everything. And it's like now you can be loving from afar. Or now you can be like, I can only do so much for you. I need to think about myself. Here. It's like some type of energy like that. It's not giving into so much attention, not giving somebody here too much attention here. Only a certain amount of Leo's energy here. So it's like something you're learning, to learn how to love in a healthier way. So That looks good. I don't know why I fucking drink coffee so late, bro. Like, it's crazy. I be hyped at 2 in the morning and shit. So, okay. I feel like there's been an energy of some type of betrayal in family. Or there's some type of a hurt. Something hurt you and you took it to heart, and it has to do with something deep, like a deep love, like a childhood wound, or something here when it comes to kids that you notice that you're kind of like getting aware of this energy, and it's going to help you move forward into a healthier love or a healthier, more boundary. And it does have to show, I mean, it does show here about love, relationships. And it's about past lovers. Maybe in the past you've always let a lover come back and you're like, you know what, I can only do so much. Or, you know, maybe you're co-parenting with somebody and you're like, maybe before y'all were like, y'all would, you know, you would let them take advantage of you because you, well, not let them, but it's like they would take advantage of you because you had kids with them. And now you're like, no, I cannot keep kissing you, and you can't come flirt over here with me, and you're not gonna do that to me. It's only about the kids, and it's time to go. Like, bye. And they're just like, well, just one more kiss, no. And you're like, no, don't get it twisted. So. And for some reason, I feel that there's some news that's going to come into, or like something coming to light to where maybe there is a partner that used you, Dude, I fucking got stuck in the motherfucker. I got distracted by this card here. Okay, now I get where I was. It's like somebody used a kid and it was fake. Like, oh yeah, little Johnny's ears, I need child support, or I need help with them. And, you know, you could have been like, well, they look just like me. I mean, pretty sure it is. It does make sense. You know, this and this and what they said about, you know, the past. So you're like putting puzzles together. Okay, it is my kid. And then something comes to light and you figure out like the whole time it wasn't your kid and you were just helping this broad with money. Like, it ain't even your blood. So some might kind of find out something like that. And it's like, you are in some type of energy of enough's enough, but you're not going to warn the person. You're just going to be like, so without a word, you're going to show somebody. With no damn word, with no damn warning. You're just like, all right, you want to play funny? Let's I got jokes. I got jokes. But it's like you teaching somebody a lesson that you're not one to be played with. Ooh, cuckoo. Okay, so this is like you coming into some type of an authority energy. Like, you haven't been this Leo in a long time, because Leo is like, I can be cold. I don't like to be like that, but I can be cold. And that old Leo is coming back to where you're gonna show somebody here, I've been nice to you, I've respected you, and I've helped you, I've been cordial with you. I don't want to show you the real me. Because if I show you the real Leo, you're going to cry. So you're tired of this person or these people. You rather pull your energy back, and it's like they still keep on. It's like, do you think I'm dumb? Do you think I can't see what you're doing, what little game you playing here? Because I'm not even going to respond to you no more. It's like your response to something that they are used to, you're going to switch it up. And they're going to be like, okay, where did Leo go? It's like, where, no word from Leo. They gone. They went across the world and they're on vacation, and you're just there like, I thought. So you're going to start to do for Leo, you're going to start to do for people who were there for you, who wasn't taking advantage of you, who kind of pulled you out of the darkness here. Because I do feel like there's this one particular person, or there's one, it could be like a friend or a partnership, and you're going to notice that they're going to come and save you, or they're going to really be there when you needed them the most, and you're going to watch out for that one person. It's like you're going to be loyal to that one person. You're going to be sticking by their side. You're going to show them. They're the ones that you're going to appreciate. And you're going to show them that. Instead of, oh, I got to help this person. I got to do for them. That's my friend. I got to help them. They need a ride. You're not going to do that for them. You're going to be selfish with your energy. And you're going to do for the person that has been there since day one. Or since, who... you're in the darkness and they were there for you, you're going to be there for them. And because you did have a lot of like betrayals, you had a lot of people turn their back on you when you needed them. So this is something that you're going to be coming into, and it's like you're going to notice how much happier that you are going to be. Here, the energies haven't fully charged in yet. So, January, February, March, April, May, June. I feel the full potential of this energy is going to be possibly from now in June. It could happen anytime, some sooner than others. But it's like, there's going to be energies that come and test you. So this is where you're going to find your strength, and you're going to be much happier because you're going to be more stingy with that energy of helping, or saving up money, or doing for yourself, and it's going to fulfill you a lot more. Here you got the Ten of Cups, you got the World, and you got the Page of Swords here. Somebody is obsessively watching you, Leo. So I see you got a big ass stalker, and it already came out, but I seen Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. It could be an ex that is like just like watching you, fucking going around your damn house, driving by, asking people about you. Like there's somebody here that you're I see Leo hiding, bruh. Like trying to get away from this person. It's like this person wants to like destroy you and the relationship that either you're in or something. But this person's like, I don't feel like you're in danger, but like this person, like this past person is like, how come for some reason I get like this, somebody has this hate towards you. How come they get away with it? How can Leo be with her? How can Leo, that was my stuff, like a jealousy energy. And it could be with the Libra, could be with the Gemini, Aquarius, doesn't necessarily need to be that. But this person is like driving around, yelling out the window, have you seen Leo? Putting fucking, stapling fucking, when you lose a dog and it says call this number. It's crazy because this person's like wanting to, where's Leo, man? Like, where is he at? And you're on the down low or something. It's like, why can't people just leave me alone? But it's like you're gonna face your fears here. And we're in 2033. You're gonna face your fears here. The thing is, I feel like you're aware of this person and how, and it doesn't necessarily need to be a person. It could be an energy of how this, it's like you fear not them, but you fear yourself on the potential on what you could do. Because if somebody gets you either really mad, or if somebody gets you really test you a little bit too much, like you're scary, like, but your motive, it's the thought training that you're gonna be in, to where maybe you used to react a certain way and you don't react to that partnership or that person or that employee the way you used to. You ain't gonna say shit no more. You're just gonna, I ain't gonna talk about it, I'm gonna be about it. But you could be avoiding a loss situation because of this situation. You're like rather step away instead of getting in trouble, or you rather step away and take it the legal way instead of, you know, going about the way you used to take it. Because it's like people are still fucking testing you. And it could be through any legal situation. It doesn't have to be custody. It doesn't have to be any type of way. But I do see a third person wanting to want you to fall off. So be mindful. 222 on the clock. Be mindful. Confirmation that you are dodging people's, you know, traps. You're smarter now. You're not gonna fall so you can lose everything that you worked for, because I feel you almost feel the victory and you're like, I ain't losing this. Whether it be, I ain't losing this relationship, I ain't losing this job, I ain't losing my freedom. All in all, Leo, I do feel whatever comes at you, you're going to take the responsible reaction to whatever situation or energies that's going to be coming in to test you. Because you're done fed up. So I hope to see y'all next month. January is right around the corner. I hope y'all have a happy new year and Merry Christmas, and I'll see ya.